One of the most effective ways of maintaining physical health is learning and listening to your own body. By paying careful attention to the signals from your body, you have the ability to notice early warning signs of health problems. Detecting little problems early can prevent them from becoming big problems later. In 1994, the U.S. government created a special program called Put Prevention into Practice, or PPIP. This program aims to help people practice preventative health measures to avoid illness rather than waiting to seek medical attention once a problem has already arisen. The principles of prevention include the following: consuming a healthy diet with lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean meats. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine. Establishing consistent sleep habits with roughly 8 hours of sleep per day. Visiting health professionals like doctors and dentists for checkups on a regular basis. And avoiding risky behaviors like smoking, sexual promiscuity, doing drugs, or excessive alcohol consumption. Following these basic principles will help to prevent health issues before they occur. Prevention also involves listening and paying attention to your body. Certain aspects of your physical health can act as cues or warning signs if there is a problem. Rapid or unexplained fluctuations in weight can be an indicator of a health issue. Knowing your weight and checking it regularly is a good way to listen to your body. Blood pressure is another good measure of your body's health. You can have your blood pressure checked for free at many drugstores or pharmacies. High blood pressure, or drastic changes in blood pressure, can serve as a warning sign from your body. Be aware of any chronic or recurring health issues you might have, such as diabetes. Know the symptoms and special warning signs and how to treat them. Listening to your body becomes especially important with chronic conditions. Unexplained ailments like frequent headaches, shortness of breath, or constant fatigue are examples of signals your body might send to warn of bigger problems. Once you receive a warning sign from your body, it is vital not to ignore what the body is telling you. Do not wait. Seek medical attention as soon as you can. It is important to know where you can go to get health care when it is necessary. If you don't have health insurance, it might be difficult to access health care when you need it. The federal government is trying to make it easier for people to get health care coverage. The Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, helps people access health care by making more people eligible for Medicaid and by allowing people to more easily obtain private health insurance even with pre-existing conditions. Additionally, many schools have free clinics for their students. If you are not enrolled in school, see if your community has a youth health center or youth health clinic available to you. Make sure to plan ahead and don't wait until you have an emergency to find a health care provider. I'm sure you can see how important prevention is to maintaining good physical health. Treating an illness is much more difficult and painful than avoiding it in the first place. Which activities are you already doing to prevent health problems? Are there any additional things you could do to practice preventative health?